Hello.
Morning. So,
it's Sunday today. Magko-costco kami kasi wala na kaming meat. And sabi namin before na hindi kami magko-costco for meat. Pero nag-grocery kami kagabi. And it was so expensive. So now, bibili na lang talaga namin sa Costco yung meat namin para bulk and mas mura. Yeah, so samahan nyo kami, I guess. Samahan nyo kami magdusa sa mga presyo. Why is life so expensive? Why is living so expensive? Okay, anyways, gotta deal with it. So, let's go to Costco.
okay. Wow, look at the mountains. Oh my God, ang ganda.
Ang ganda nga.
So, ito pala yung view natin, guys. Nasa Boundary Road tayo. Papuntang Costco. Yung Costco na malapit sa amin. And ito yung makikita mo, pabahada to, pababa. Papuntang doon sa baba.
What the hell?
But yeah, it was so nice. So far, yung weather natin ngayon okay naman. Hindi masyadong malamig. Hindi din masyadong yeah, parang normal lang.
Ambon-ambon lang.
Ambon-ambon, yeah. And yung wala pa rin tayong sun because it's winter and nasa Vancouver tayo, kaya kinakain ko yung ice. Okay, andito na tayo sa Costco.
Maghanap tayo ng parking for 30 minutes.
Kasi madaming tao. Okay, so finally.
Ko.
Ay, oo nga, 4 days nang sumasakit yun siya ni Kim. So finally, nakahanap na kami ng parking. Pero
Tapos, nainis pa sa amin yung yung lumalabas siya kasi akala niya
wala
na siyang space. Pero ang layo-layo niya pa, tapos nag-BP pa siya sa akin. My God.
Anyway, buti naman nakahanap kami ng parking agad. And hindi kami natagalan kasi usually pag mga ganito weekends, ang daming tao dito sa Costco na to. So,
marami naman umaalis right now.
Yeah. Bago pala kami dumating dito or bago kami nagpunta ng Costco, dumaan kami ng Teams, kaya
Ay, oo, tapos nag-acting sikat. Sabi niya, paano yung sinabi mo?
kasi may kumuha ng order ko ng steep tea. Tapos, hawak-hawak niya yung steep tea, pero alam ko na hindi steep tea yung order niya kasi narinig ko siya. Siya yung person na before sa akin nag-order. In-order niya latte at saka black coffee. Ngayon, yung tinawag yung order ko na 1 steep tea, bababa. Kinuha niya yung steep tea. So, hindi ako nag-react kasi baka lang, parang nag-ano ako na, baka na-miss ko lang talaga yung order niya. Baka nga talaga nag-order siya ng steep tea. Ngayon, siya na mismo naka-realize na, oh, sorry, I didn't order steep tea. Tapos sabi ko, no, it's okay kasi you've already held it. Pero inulit niya. Tapos sabi na, no, I didn't order steep tea. Tapos sabi ko, oh, you didn't order steep tea. Pero, parang, okay. Pero hindi ko na siya kinuha kasi nahawakan na niya. Binigyan na lang ako ng bago ng, taga-teams. Kaya, yung mga taga-teams dyan sa Kingsway, shout out sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Pero, yeah, siguro siya, mas nakalibre siya. Kasi, dalawang drinks lang yung order niya, pero nakatatlong drinks siya. So, shout out to you, kuya. So, yeah.
Let's go in here. We just have to buy 2 things. Meat lang talaga. At saka, yung panlinis ng bathroom.
Yeah, at saka itatry ko rin kumuha ng
fish oil.
fresh oil kasi papadala ko sa Philippines. Kaya, let's go.
Yan yung meron sila dati, 349. Pero sabi nila, mabagal daw. Kaya sinoli din nila.
Mabilis malubat ba yun?
Oo. Yan. Sa Costco tayo ngayon. Steaming.
Ano?
Steam here.
Team
This is
for
for clothes. Look.
$2,000. Oh yeah.
Pero hanggang ano lang, 5.
Yeah. I like this ano. Parang gusto ko tong ganito kalaki na shoe.
I like this one though.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice.
So may tinignan kami na, oh sorry. May tinignan kami na ano dito ni Kim. This one, yung range. Gusto namin siya kasi dalawa na siya. Pwede siyang maging air fryer na din. Pero she doesn't like it kasi hindi hindi fire. Ano lang siya. Parang tawag nito? Anong tawag nito? Yung hindi fire? Induction lang? Yeah, mas gusto niya yung fire.
Pero may kasama na siyang air fryer.
Yeah,
Ganda.
true.
And also look at this this microwave. It's so wide. Paano to focus? Oh my god. Oh.
Oh, wow.
You
I
can
mean, that's-
microwave two at the same time. But
I mean, that's good for
you
families.
can't have this pag microwave. Paano kaya talaga?
I think it's an oven. Microwave. Okay. It's microwave. Yeah, so I think it's good if may family ka and, like marami kayo sa bahay. Because, like for us, we can only heat one thing at a time. But, yeah.
Ito nga for 24
Okay. Pasensya na. Sabi namin, meats lang talaga yung pupuntahan namin. But of course, pwede naman mag-shopping, di ba? Mag-window shopping. Kasi, 60 inches na TV. Actually, naghahanap-hanap kami ng mga TVs, guys, kung hindi nyo lang alam. Kasi may bala kami sa bahay ngayon. But of course, parang hindi naman talaga namin sure na bibilhin siya agad.
Look at how thin this is. Tingnan mo yun dito. No?
Yeah, so thin.
Oh, this is the OLED. This is the expensive one. 23.
Look at that.
I'll only buy that if I have a house already. Hard to transport it, you know?
That's so
Kasi you
true.
never know what can happen with it pag
It can
nag-move
break,
ka na.
yeah.
Pero ang
It can
ganda
break.
ng color.
Yeah. Guys, may nakita ako. Good for kids. Ay, sorry. This one pala. Look at that! Kids water bottle. Ang cute-cute. Let's see. How much is it? Oh, ang cute, colorful.
$24.
$24.
$24.99 for 24.
Per pound.
Is it per pound?
Yung lobster, guys.
Oh, look at this. $44.
$44. In fairness,
pretty good.
okay na yan kasi
Yeah.
ang lalaki ng
Teka, hanap tayo ng beef.
We are here now sa mga poultry, seafood, and mga meats. Yan. Okay. Ang dami nito, no? $24. You know, hindi ako sure kung
Hindi mo naman gusto yun?
no, I mean, hindi ako sure kung na
Pero
may
mura
vlog
yun,
ba
no?
tayo ng
Yung 20,
my God.
66. That's cheap.
Yeah. Ang dami niyan. Okay, so hindi ako sure kung may vlog pa kami nung sa Steveston, yung mga fresh na mga shrimps and prawns. Right? Nandito na tayo sa mga beef and
Look at this thing.
how much?
57. But there's 3. And it's really heavy.
Yeah. So makakatipid ka talaga ng mga meats dito. It's just that Ha?
Doon. Kasi yun yung maraming meat.
Okay. Okay, so makakatipid ka talaga ng mga meats dito. It's just that hindi namin kailangan ng ganun kadaming meats. But again,
128 Wagyu.
ngayon, dahil sa mahal na ng mga bilihin, kahit tingi-tingi, doon sa superstore, parang, sige, kuha na lang tayo ng maramihan.
What's this one? How do I know how heavy this is? Oh, this is one.
Yeah. So, these are, yung mga cuts na beef.
Ano yan? 1.7.
Meron dito,
Yung cut na,
29.
29. Ito 26. Do you wanna just get this one?
Ano ba to? Magkano? Ilang 1.7 kilograms? This one is also 1.7. Yeah, okay, sure. Yeah.
Cut ko na lang.
And then, ito, 31. Ito, 29. Mabigat yung iba. Ayan. Ayan, sige, naghahanap siya ng ground beef. Pero masyadong malaki kasi. Ayan. Ganap kami ng iba siguro. Baka meron pa sa area na doon. But, yeah. Dito ako nag-antay. Ang daming manok. Ang daming konoms. Kano ba manok nila dito? What? No, andito na naman tayo. No. Hindi na naman. Kasi ngayon pa lang tayo bumisita dito sa pork side ribs. So, magkano ba to? 25, 34, 23, 29. Meron din sila ditong pork belly na nagkakahalagang tumataginting na 26 and 33. Siguro mga ganun lang yung mga range nila dito. Alright, okay. So, ito pork loin, 28.29, 4.036 kilograms na siya. So, okay na siya, guys. Thick! Okay, so, chicken thighs nila dito, it's 30, 29, 30, 32, 31. And then, this one is the halal one. Tinitingnan ni Kim yung organic kung alin yung mas mura. Which is which? Decisions. Okay, these ones, mga Kirkland na mga chicken. Mura lang siya. 27, 29. Yung andon, yung sa kabila, yung dito, halal and organics. Ito, siguro normal chicken lang siya. Ayan.
Like this is like what adulting is. So there's 27.76 and 27.10.
Decisions.
We picked the cheaper one even though it's only 60 cents. Okay, we're done.
Ang daming tao, guys. We're just gonna check kung magkano yung prosciutto. Daming tao, grabe.
I wonder if we go around that way.
Guys, sa mga mahilig sa hamas dyan, $8. Dalawa na siya. And I think that's good if mahilig kayo dyan. You know? So, meron palang free tasting dito ng stuffed bell peppers. There. And, how's it?
Good. Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Okay, we're getting a prosciutto. Sliced prosciutto.
It's just ham, guys. Cured ham. Pero fancy ham.
Cured fancy ham. But we're not gonna ubos it in just one sitting lang. Parang for snacks. And since napanood niyo naman yung video namin about us experiencing or explore ng wines, that's very good for us.
Very good for us.
Good for us, you know, just to feed our soul sometimes, because in this economy,
Look at this one. It's real.
Oh wow, that's nice. Yeah, so again,
Tropical terrarium.
in this economy, kailangan mo mabuhay or kailangan mo may motivation sa sarili mo.
Real bacon.
What is that?
Smoked bacon.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we're here.
I'm just gonna get this one.
Panlinis ng bathroom and shower. Yeah, oo. $13 lang kasi siya. Tapos,
Yung isa niyan, ano na, $10.
true, $10 ang isa niyan. Dati, hinahanap namin to. Portable na butane stove. Nagkaroon kami ng ganito. But, sinauli namin kasi nahirapan kami maghanap ng butane that time last year kasi ubos-ubos siya. So, nag-switch kami to yung parang regular na talaga. Regular na stove na pwedeng mag-grill. So, yeah. Good to for camping and the summer. Okay, so kumuha tayo ng fish oil kasi yung friend namin, si Gabi, uuwi sila ng Pilipinas. So, ipapadala ko to sa mom ko. Ito, fish oil. And then, we are here sa mga milk formula. Kasi yung friend namin, si Angelo, kailangan ng formula para kay Pot. So, since andito naman na tayo, maghahanap na lang tayo ng gatas for Pot. Ayan. Okay, we're here sa counter. And 4 items so far, $95. So this one, and this one.
Please continue scanning. $29.99.
Alright. 7 items for $172.
Please.
Ay, sorry. So, nasa bahay na tayo, guys.
I'm gonna put it in very close to the curve.
Alam ko kung ano sinasabi niya. So, eto na nga. Eto na nga ang nabayaran natin. $172.47. Ding, 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 ding. For 7 items. Yan ang nabayaran natin. I know, kaya ko yan nilabas kasi papalitan ko yan. And then, so ayan guys, yung prosciutto 11, yung pork loin 28.21, ayan yung mga presyohan nila. Yung aerosol, yung panlinis, yan yun, $14. And
May
then,
pinasabay lang si Angelo na baby
Gatas.
milk for Pot, the love of our lives. Shout out to you, Pot. I'm just kidding. Pero yun, mga 140 siguro to without the
minus
milk.
minus din sa omega kasi nagpadala.
30.
So, mga 100 lang talaga
100.
siya. Yeah.
So, this is an experiment to see how long all this meat will last us for this grocery.
Yeah, but we will let you guys know or
Yeah.
like see later kung paano namin ihahati at
I feel
paano
like it's gonna
namin
last us a long time kasi ang daming meat eh.
i-ration
No?
yung meat, yeah.
Daming
Problema na lang namin ngayon is yung storage
how
ng
we store.
ng fridge namin, but we will see.
That's okay. So, ang mga binili namin meat, yung parang pang universal yung mga parts. Like the chicken thighs na walang
Bone.
walang bone para we can deep fry or
Tinola.
adobo or tinola or anything. Tapos yung naman yung pork loin para may sinigang, pwede din siyang i-adobo, pwede din siyang nilaga, I don't know. Anything. Tapos pati yung stewing na beef, parang kare-kare, anything. Or even like white people dishes, or if we wanted to parang we can still make everything para magagamit lahat, and then ang bibili na lang namin every week is the
Produce na lang.
So we'll see if we save money this way. We spent 100 for our meats, so that means that every week that we buy, our budget
Produce.
will be $30 or something na lang sana. We'll see.
We will see.
So, yeah. Here's Murphy. Si Murphy ang laging passenger ni Eddie.
Yeah, siya ang mawawala.
Eddie Murphy.
So, either si Kim ang magdadrive or ako lang ang magdadrive. At least may kasama kami. You know? Alright, we'll see you guys sa loob.
Okay, so we are now home. And ito na nga yung namin. Ang meats namin. Kaya, the next task, I guess, is to portion all of this so that hindi namin ito lahat. You know? You know what I mean? Yeah. So, ito, half-half to. Tapos, pati yung chicken, pati yung, yung pork. Tapos, isasabay ko na rin yung pagluto ng ulam namin ngayon, which is nilaga. Kasi, masakit yung tiyan ko. Kaya, yun. Yeah, I'm gonna do this first, so I'll show you yung itsura after. Be right back.
It's rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
Alright, so ayan na guys, yung na-pack natin lahat. Ito yung mga beef, pork, and then chicken. So, good for more than a month na yan.
Yeah, I feel like 2 months na nga to kasi ang dami.
Yeah, so nag-label kami din ng dates kasi
Para alam namin kung kailan namin binili.
yep.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ready?
So, itong katsu, iba lang yung niya kasi gagawin namin tonkotsu yan. Tapos, pork pa rin yan. Ang beef, onti lang talaga siya. And then, chicken, ayan. Tig pa 5 thighs lang. And then, that is it. Yun na. And then, this one, pinapakuluan lang yung nilaga for tonight. Ayan yung veggies. Plus, we have some bok choy for it. And then, yung kanina, kinat ko na yung onions for the week. Because I don't like cutting onions. So, naka-prep na siya. Ilalagay na lang for the ulams. This one is in the fridge because we're gonna be making a fritada sometime this week, probably on Tuesday. So that's already being thawed. And then, yeah, I think that's it. That's it. We did it.
Kala namin hindi magkakasya yung sa face, but turned out
That it fits. It's really heavy, but it fits.
Yay!
Yeah. And then, so this is our meats. Hala.
This one's open.
Okay. This one is our meats. Tapos, ito yung mga we already have. We prepped spring rolls last week. Tapos, we have some mozzarella sticks. Dilis that we will just save until my warmer weather na. And then, wrappers that we bought in excess. Then I also have some pusit here, and then mga ready to eat. You don't have to make for ulam. And then this one is just reserved for ice because we separate that from everything else since that one only goes into our drinks. And then ayun na si Kat sipping on some pen folds. Cheers. Yeah, it's only 2:40. I feel like we've done so much today.
Yeah.
Is it only 2:40?
Yeah.
Or is it? No, I feel like it's 3 to. Huh? Why is this 3 o'clock? What time is it? 2:40?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so early. Anyways, ayan. Mariready na yung dinner namin in about like 45 minutes.
So I'm just gonna cook rice. I'm just gonna make rice.
Yeah. And I think that's it. So that's it for our vlog for today.
That's it for today's vlog, and
Yeah.
thank you so much again for watching our videos.
Ang mahal ng groceries, so do what you can to save money. We're gonna try this out. Hopefully it'll save us money, but if it doesn't, then we'll go back to doing whatever we were doing before.
That's so true. So depends kung anong mag-work sa amin. But yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Please.
Bye.
Bye.